Looking for the best desktop 3D filament maker machine of 2026 to make your own 3D printer filament at home or in your workshop? Backhand index pointing right. In this video, we've selected the top 5 best desktop 3D filament maker machines of 2026 based on performance, ease of use. White heavy check mark. Watch till the end to find the best filament maker for your setup in 2026. All product links available in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5. Desktop 3D Filament Maker Machine. Dual-size extruder 1.75mm/3mm, adjustable speed, PLA, and ABS filament production. Product description. The desktop 3D filament maker machine allows you to produce your own high-quality 3D printing filament at home or in a workshop. Designed with a dual-size extruder, it supports both 1.75mm and 3mm filament, making it compatible with most 3D printers. With adjustable extrusion speed, you can precisely control filament production for consistent diameter and smooth printing performance. Suitable for PLA and ABS consumables, this compact filament maker is ideal for DIY makers, labs, and small-scale production. Key features: dual-size filament extrusion. Supports 1.75mm and 3mm filament for wide 3D printer compatibility. Adjustable extrusion speed. Control production speed for stable diameter and better filament quality. PLA and ABS material support. Produces common 3D printing consumables for various applications. Desktop compact design. Space-saving structure perfect for home, workshop, or lab use. Consistent filament output. Stable heating and extrusion system ensures uniform filament thickness. Cost-effective filament production. Create your own printing materials and reduce long-term printing costs. Available now on Amazon and AliExpress. At number 4. 220V/110V Desktop 3D Filament Extruder Machine. Auto Table Winder Coiling Machine 3D Printing Consumables Extruder. Product description. The desktop 3D filament extruder machine with auto table winder is a complete solution for producing and neatly coiling 3D printing filament. Designed for efficiency and precision, it extrudes high-quality filament and automatically winds it onto spools for clean, organized storage. With dual voltage support, 220V/110V, this machine is suitable for global use in homes, workshops, and small production environments. The automatic coiling system ensures smooth winding and consistent filament management, making it ideal for producing professional-grade 3D printing consumables. Key features: integrated extrusion and auto coiling. Extrudes filament and automatically winds it onto spools for neat storage. Auto table winder system. Ensures smooth, uniform filament winding without manual handling. Dual voltage support, 220V/110V. Compatible with worldwide power standards. Stable and consistent filament output. Reliable extrusion system for uniform filament diameter. Desktop compact design. Space-saving and suitable for home labs, makerspaces, and workshops. Efficient filament production. Ideal for producing 3D printing consumables with professional results. At number 3. REX CX100 3D Printing Extruder Filament Maker. Automatic wire diameter 1.75mm/3mm for PLA, PET, PA, ABS, PC, PP. Product description. The REX CX100 3D Printing Extruder Filament Maker is a high-precision filament production machine designed for stable and consistent 3D printing consumables. With automatic wire diameter control, it ensures accurate filament sizing for smooth and reliable printing performance. Supporting both 1.75mm and 3mm filament, this extruder is compatible with most 3D printers. It works with a wide range of materials including PLA, PTG, PA, ABS, PC, and PP, making it ideal for DIY makers, workshops, and small-scale filament production. Key features: automatic wire diameter control. Maintains precise filament thickness for consistent printing quality. Dual filament size support. Produces 1.75mm and 3mm filament for wide printer compatibility. Multi-material compatibility. Supports PLA, PEG, PA, ABS, PC, PP, and other thermoplastics. Stable extrusion system. Ensures smooth filament output with minimal variation. Efficient filament production. Ideal for home labs, workshops, and professional use. Reliable 3D printer accessory. Designed for consistent and high-quality printing consumables. At number 2. 3D Printing Consumables Extruder Filament Maker. Desktop Filament Extruder 1.75mm/3mm Speed Adjustable Extrusion Machine. Product description. The Desktop 3D Filament Maker Extruder is designed for producing high-quality 3D printing filament with stable and consistent performance. Supporting both 1.75mm and 3mm filament sizes, it is compatible with most 3D printers for versatile printing applications. With adjustable extrusion speed, users can precisely control filament production to ensure uniform diameter and smooth printing results. Its compact desktop design makes it ideal for home use, workshops, and small-scale filament production. Key features: dual filament size support. Produces 1.75mm and 3mm filament for wide 3D printer compatibility. Adjustable extrusion speed. Fine-tune production speed for stable and consistent filament output. Desktop compact design. Space-saving structure suitable for home labs and workshops. Stable and uniform filament production. Reliable heating and extrusion system ensures consistent diameter. Efficient 3D printing consumable production. Ideal for DIY makers and small-scale manufacturing. Easy operation. User-friendly controls for convenient filament production. Available now on Amazon and AliExpress. At number 1. 3D Printing Extruder Desktop 3D Filament Maker. 1.75mm and 3.0mm DIY 3D Printing Consumables Extruder. The 3D Printing Extruder Filament Maker is a compact and efficient desktop machine designed for producing high-quality 3D printer filament. Supporting 1.75mm and 3.0mm filament diameters, it allows users to manufacture custom consumables from plastic pellets or recycled materials. Compatible with a wide range of thermoplastics including PLA, ABS, PVA, HIPS, PTG, PC, PP, and PE. PLA/AB/PVA/HIPS/PTG/PC/PP/P. Adjustable extrusion speed. Fine control for smooth and uniform filament. Precise temperature control. Stable heating for different material types. Desktop and compact design. Space-saving and easy to operate. DIY and recycling friendly. Convert pellets or failed prints into usable filament. Stable and continuous extrusion. Designed for consistent diameter and surface quality.